Welcome to our tutorial on Copilot for DevOps Plus. In this video, we'll be focusing on the translate functionality within Copilot for DevOps Plus. This functionality allows you to translate your work items from English to any language of your choice. So here, we can click on the Translate tile from our selected work item. We can also select fields to provide as inputs. So this will show you all of your title and rich text fields, which includes your standard rich text fields like description. It also shows you any custom rich text fields that you've added as well. The next step is to select the language that you'd like to translate your work item into. So this could be any language from our drop-down list. Select your preferred language and then click on Generate to create a translation of your work item. On the right side, we will be able to see the translated content, including title and description. We can choose to copy the results if we'd like to share it externally. We could also choose to replace the results with our existing description and provide that translation for the work item. If you're working with Copilot Plus, you'll also have access to our custom instructions panel, which gives you the ability to pick your AI model so you can work with either GPT 3.5 or GPT-4. The latter gives better results, but it also consumes more tokens. You can choose to have more creative results or more precise results with your input, as well as provide your own custom instructions to make sure you get exactly what you're looking for from your prompt. This concludes the video for Translate. Be sure to check out all of our other Copilot for DevOps Plus videos on our main website.